This question is a fill in the blank question. It says fill in the blanks for the following statement. An sp hybridized atom has blank unhybridized p orbitals and can participate in up to blank pi bonds. The sp hybridized atom has the blank s character of all the hybridized bonds. So let's kind of take a look at what we're discussing here. sp hybridized atoms. So it might help if you give yourself a visual when kind of thinking about this. So a really typical example of an sp hybridized atom is, say, this carbon right here. It participates in a triple bond. So this first question, or first part of this question says, an sp hybridized atom has blank unhybridized p orbitals. So this is a topic that confuses a lot of people because it has to deal with kind of the actual atomic orbitals that we're hybridizing into molecular orbitals. So if you think back to carbon, typically we bring together s and p orbitals when we hybridize them. And so for an sp hybridized orbital, we're going to bring these two together to make an sp orbital, and that leaves two orbitals of the p character behind. So an sp hybridized atom has how many unhybridized p orbitals? To answer that, we just count them up, 1 and 2. So 2 unhybridized p orbitals, okay, and can participate in up to how many pi bonds? The max number of pi bonds is 2. So a triple bond is made up of 2 pi bonds and 1 sigma bond. Okay, so max of 2 pi bonds. And then the sp hybridized atom has the blank s character of all the hybridized bonds. And if we look at our answer choices, they're least or most. So the answer to this is most s character, because if you think about the sp bond, or the sp hybridized bond is made up of 50% s and 50% p. The other hybridized orbitals, for example, sp3 has 25% s and sp2 has 33% s. So sp hybridized atoms have the most s character. So we're looking for answer choice E here, 2, 2, and most, to kind of fill in all the blanks of this statement.